Hello and welcome to day 40 of Bedtime Welsh. I nearly said say something in Welsh. It's not that, is it? No. Day 40 of Bedtime Welsh. And we've got a new word, a really useful new word for you today, which you can practice with. And if you're one of the people coming into the sessions with Angharad, you can practice using it in there too. So the word for today is to ask. And to ask is gofyn. 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 So to ask is
gofyn.
Gofyn. So I'm asking is
Dwi'n gofyn.
Dwi'n gofyn. So are you asking is
Wyt ti'n gofyn.
Wyt ti'n gofyn. I want to ask.
Dwi isio gofyn.
Dwi isio gofyn. I want to ask something.
Dwi isio gofyn rhywbeth.
Dwi isio gofyn rhywbeth. How about if you're asking?
Os wyt ti'n gofyn.
Os wyt ti'n gofyn. One last. If you're asking something.
Os wyt ti'n gofyn rhywbeth.
Os wyt ti'n gofyn rhywbeth. Da iawn. So practice using that in different sentences. See how you can fit it into what you've already done. And we'll see you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!